Hi, my name is Eugene Kettering with Cousin Vinny's Pizza, a growing Ohio-based pizza delivery company. And in the process of our growth, we've had opportunity to take over various different companies, and much of the equipment is stuff that we don't use. So as a result of that process, taking over companies or buying out equipment from auctions and things like that, we have various different pieces of equipment that we don't use that we are selling. Now, we're not looking to get a whole lot of money. We just want to get a good fair price for what we're selling, so everything is priced basically at a good fair price. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching. Hi, my name is Eugene Kettering with Cousin Vinny's Pizza. This is a black and white model espresso maker, and we got this from when we purchased a what's it called? Books and Company? No, not Books and Company. It was a Border Books, and we bought a bunch of stuff for our stores, and this is stuff that we didn't need. This is a nice clean unit, and it was working, of course, when they closed the store. And I hope you'll take advantage of the great price and enjoy it. Have a great day.